Bloody hell.
You ain't faster?
What? Is there something wrong with you?
What are you fucking doing?
I was walking along the pavement, you rode into
You're
me.
cycling around with your fucking delivery cunting bag on your back.
You're making a mistake
What are you?
here.
What are you?
You do see I'm filming you, don't you?
What are you? You've got no permission to film me, son.
You got no permission to cycle on the pavement.
You've got no permission.
You're making a fool of yourself.
No.
Don't make things worse than they have to
I'm
be.
going to insist you delete all of this footage.
You can insist all you like. You are making a fool of yourself.
How's that?
Just...
You dare post this? I want you, son.
Well, I'll certainly be posting that. I think he was drunk, that one.